Welcome to the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X in Onyx Black. This truck is powered by a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4X, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding siding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, steering column shifter, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control. In the center console, you can find integrated trailer braking, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4X, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4X HD badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LEDs, Duramax and Allison plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4X badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights, LED over cab lighting. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Automatic step assist come out when the doors are open and retract once the doors are closed. Side steps are built into both sides of the box. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, clear tail lights, towing package is installed, single exit exhaust, AT4X, Sierra, and GMC badging can all be found here on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4X, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split with under-seat storage. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have 2 cup holders, the heated seats controls, and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.